Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks the Dawn, and I haven't done an update on my 5 gallon in a while. So I hope you enjoy it. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. They're all just nibbling away at their food here. My blue Grammy's getting really, really big, along with my angel koi fish and my skirt fish, and everybody's doing really good. They really like their food. And they're white lace and java fern. They like to hide in sometimes. This is my yellow and panda molly. They're both boys, so we won't have babies in here, but I'm gonna try to get some fish in my 3 gallon. So maybe we'll get babies in the other tank. I hope you enjoy, and I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.